there, happy gardening. So here's a little video on what I harvested from my beds. Last year I tried planting carrots. They were tiny. These are from seed. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. Not only one, two, so many. I have some reddish tops. I got one little reddish. I got a couple, but it seems like something was nibbling on it. But the cabbage, red cabbage, pretty big. The other ones are a little smaller, but still a really good size. Lots and lots of collard greens. Lots of collard greens. Very happy. Some beets. Looking really nice too. Got some limes from my tree. Still some bok choy. Very nice. Very happy with my progress. How are you guys doing? What have you harvested? Hope you're having a lovely gardening season. Talk to you soon.